Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. The system UI not responding error on Android phone usually happens when the system interface, status bar, navigation button, notification panel etc. crashes or become overloaded. This can occur due to app conflicts, full storage, outdated software or cache problem. Follow this simple method to fix it. Number 1. Restart your phone. The easiest solution is restarting the device. Press and hold the power button. Tap restart or reboot. Wait for the phone to turn back on. Restarting clear temporary glitch that may cause the system UI error. Number 2. Clear Android system or system UI cache. Sometimes corrupted cache file cause this issue. Open Settings. Go to Apps or App Management. Tap the three-dot menu and select Show System App. Find System UI or Android system. Tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. Do not clear data, useless necessary. Number 3. Uninstall recently installed apps. If the problem starts after installing a new app, that app maybe causes a conflict. Number 4. Free up storage space. Low storage can make Android system apps stop responding. Delete unnecessary photos or videos. Remove unused apps. Clear cache using storage cleaner. Try to keep at least 2 to 3 GB free space. Number 5. Open Google Play Store. Then search Google. Open Google. Then click Uninstall. OK, complete all the process, restart your phone and then try update your system. If your problem not fixed, and then try the last method. Factory reset, last option. If nothing work, far from a factory reset. Important, backup your data first. Open Settings. Then click Additional Settings. Scroll down and click Backup and Reset. Select Reset Phone. Then click Erase all data. Click Erase Data. After complete this process, reboot your phone and your problem 100% fix. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.